Hello class and welcome back. This next exercise we're going to write a program named Big Letter that displays a large letter composed of smaller letters. For example, if you chose H, your output should look similar to this. So let's pick one that's pretty easy to do because I like doing the easy way sometimes. So we're going to change our class. Instead of comments from our last video, we're going to use Big Letter. And in this big letter class, we're going to do a write line, semicolon. We're also going to give ourselves a template like we did last time. So I'm going to copy this write line statement, and I'm going to just post it several times. I'm going to give myself the absolute easiest one to do, the letter L. Perfect. That's it. Let's run it. And there's your big letter L. All right. Let me know if you have any issues. We're just working on the write line statement. Um, and that's all we have to do for this exercise. This is a very short video. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.